Subscribe our YouTube channel, follow our Facebook, visit our website.
This video, we will guide you on setting for SQL POS system. First, let's go to SQL account. Make sure you have installed Firebird 3.0 and make sure you have set SQL account as Firebird mode. So let's right click on the Firebird, go to properties, make sure the database engine you have set it to Firebird server. You can also click on test connection. As you can see, now the server version is 3.0 and the status connection is active. Now let's click on setting on SQL POS. Go to SQL account, click on DCF to select your database. Click on load info. System will automatic untick prompt negative stock quantity dialog box. Remove unit price in the cashiers. Untick 5-cent rounding once you click on apply button. There's a few options for posting type. You can either set by a daily basis, each bill in real time, each bill, and mixed mode. So what is mixed mode in SQL POS? For example, you issue bill to cashier's customer, alpha and beta, AB enterprise. If there's 5 bill issued to cashier's customer, it will be combined and posting it into SQL as one bill. For alpha and beta, AB enterprise bill will be posting it as individually. You can also preset your default customer code. For example, my default customer will be 300C001 cashiers. In receipt and license, you can see all your company profile information will be showing here. You can also enter your counter ID, license key, as well as your footer line. For example, let's say my footer line 1 I would like to change to thank you and please come again. And my footer line 2 I want to show Wi-Fi password. I love SQL. Once you have done this, just press on OK. So let's preview on the receipt footer. So as you can see your footer, thank you and please come again and your Wi-Fi password. For POS screen, you can set your POS display as a touch mode or grid mode. You can also create your new payment type. For example, you have a new payment type, master. Select your type non-cash. Select your account code in your SQL account. Let's say Maybank Master. Just click on OK. And that's it. You can also set your action button on your right panel. Just click on setting action button. If let's say I do not need a 15% discount and I do not need a 5 ringgit discount, so I can just click on the minus button to remove it. You can also click on the plus button. Let's say I want to add a new option, fixed quantity, add 5 unit. So I just enter the display name and the value 5. Check on the show option. And let's look on POS now. So in your right panel, you will able to see there's a fixed quantity at 5. So for example, I select my item antenna. When I click on the fixed quantity 5, system will auto change your quantity to 5 unit. One last thing to sharing is, in SQL POS system, you can also use in a offline mode. For example, if you want to bring the POS system to your exhibition or maybe your van sales, you can also check on the use offline mode and then just enter your admin password to log in. Once you log in, you can continue your transaction as usual, and when you back to your office, you can set it back to online mode, and you can also do your posting into SQL account.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.